Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change font sizes for different layers or text for different devices in Revolution slider in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to change font size for different devices like desktop, laptop, mobile, tablet. So we are in desktop layout. When we click on layer, so this is our text, and then you see we are in layer option, and then you see style, so click on it, and then you see font and icon. Font size 60px for desktop, so you can add font size for desktop according to your requirement. Now on top you see different devices, so I enable mobile. Now select, so this is our mobile layout. We select same layer, social, and we are in layer option and style. Now you see font size 40px for this layer for mobile layout in slider Revolution in WordPress. Now change it to 30px. Now click on it. Now you see font size reduced for mobile layout for this layer. So you can set font size for each layer like text, button for different devices according to your requirement. For desktop, this font size is 60px. For mobile, font size we set 30px. Now make it 40 again. So you can add custom font size for each layer for different devices. Again on top you see option, we enable mobile. If you want, you can enable tablet on. Now click on it. So we are in tablet layout. Now you see on tablet font size is 34px. So you can do setting according to your requirement and then click on save. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.